Stylish backgrounds often rely on layered shapes that feel soft and visually balanced. Today, how to make stylish shape backgrounds. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new canvas sized 1920 by 1080 pixels with a gradient background from light purple to soft pink. Select the Ellipse tool and draw a large blurred circle in a bright magenta color. Then reduce its opacity to around 60%. Now duplicate it and place the copy on another side using a different color like cyan. Switch to the Rectangle tool and add a few diagonal bars with low opacity to introduce structure.